Okay, well it's Friday the 1st of September and we've just completed our first day cruising with the Duke. We've done about 6 miles, 3 locks, and we're now at a place called Ainhoe Wharf. We've got a little bit of a noisy bridge just behind us, so we'll do a little bit of the of drone work in the morning and continue on from there. Looking across into these fields here, you can see like a wavy pattern, and this is left over from before the Enclosure Act in medieval times, when all the peasants had like a little strip of land to work in the field, and each little rise was like the property of one of the peasants in the village. You can just about see it. You know, it's difficult to see because of all the weeds, but if you look very carefully, you can see this this up and down, this wavy motion.
Good morning all. Sunday, September the 3rd, and we're in Property. which was our second night stop. You can hear in the background, it's 9 a.m. The church bells are going off. I'll just let you. It's bringing everyone to service here in this beautiful little village. We're having a great time. The boat, we're just getting adjusted to it, and the time change, we're getting slowly adjusted to it. But it's been splendid. And Neil will just take a little scan around, but things are going well, and hope everyone's enjoying our videos.
We did 15.5 miles yesterday and 9 locks.
There we are. So Neil can give you the particulars, and we have our children out here this morning.
Yeah, the ducks waiting for food.
Yeah, there's loads of them about. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
Hi, well it's Monday the 4th of September, and this is day 4 of our trip. We're moored at a lovely quiet little spot on the Grand Union Canal near Braunston, and we're just about to explore the remains of the abandoned medieval village of Wolfhampcote, which is just next bridge down and over that way a little bit. Not sure how much of the remains are going to be there. If there's a little bit to look at, we'll maybe put the drone up and see if we can check it out. So yeah, we're having a great time. The weather is swelteringly hot, 29 degrees, very, very, very warm. So yeah, we're having a great time, and we'll just start our little exploration right now. Okay, so here we are. This is the abandoned village of Wolfhampcote. Behind me is St. Peter's Church, which is all remains of the village right now. We're told that there's the remains are just over in that field, just over there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to send the drone up now and see if we can see any remains from the air. So the abandoned medieval village of Wolfhampcote. Here you can see the impressions in the ground where the buildings used to stand. Okay, today is Wednesday the 6th of September and we are at the very famous Greyhound pub in Hawkesbury Junction, also known as Sutton Stop, which used to be traditionally a very a famous meeting place for the old boatmen. And this also marks the end of the Oxford Canal and the start of the Coventry Canal, and also the end of our first video on the Oxford Canal on this part of our trip. So it'll be goodbye Oxford Canal and hello Coventry Canal, and we'll just wrap this video up here, okay? So here's a quick overview of where we've been so far. Here is London, there is Oxford. So we picked the boat up here at Upper Hayford. First night we got there, Ainhoe Wharf. Then day 2 through Banbury to here, Cropredy. Day 3 here, Braunston. And this area here is where the abandoned medieval village of Wolfhampcote is. Then we came along here, which is shared by the Oxford Canal and Grand Union Canal. Then we came on to the Northern Oxford Canal, to here, just a little bit north of Newbold. And then lunchtime, Hawkesbury Junction, where the Oxford Canal finishes and the Coventry Canal begins. And tonight we are just here, just at the top of Atherstone Locks. And that's the journey so far.